everyone, it's Lisa and I'm back with another tutorial video. Now today's video is going to be a little bit simpler. I'm basically going to bring in a design and show you how to lay it out on a coaster. So I have these cool wood slice coasters. I got these from At Home. You can get them a lot of different places. I'll link some similar ones on Amazon that you can check out. But this is Easter week, so I am using this design from Chameleon Cuttables. Really excited about it. I think it's really beautiful. It has some great phrases for Easter, but also, you know, song lyrics that I like it as well. So I'm going to be showing you how I lay this out in Glowforge so I can put it on my machine and engrave it. And I'm going to show you in the video as well what engraving settings that I used. But a fun little project. This only took me like 20 minutes to do, and it's a great thing that you can do for coasters, or these can be small gifts that you hand out during this Easter holiday. Right, so I have my little coaster. I'm gonna put it pretty close to where the camera is because I want to kind of keep it from having a bunch of warping. So there's my camera. I have this closed. It's gonna start scanning. Let's jump back over to my computer. So you can see right here that it is scanning. So this circle is going to be pretty close to the size that we need because I actually made one already to test. So I'm just gonna stretch it out. This is probably gonna be closer to what you're used to, what you'll see. And so I'm gonna go over here, and let's say you don't like this file. I know earlier I kind of did this file and I think I accidentally used a PNG instead of a JPEG. You can always, within this workspace, delete. I just press delete, hit this, and you can also upload a new file. So I'm gonna go through and just re-upload. So right here we have our SVG. So you can see I'm uploading my SVG file. It says my design's being prepared. So you can see it's really clear. And now I can just kind of take that corner, scale it down. So before I get too far, I'm gonna go through and set up my material. So I'm going to use uncertified material, and my thickness is 0.5 inches, and then I'm going to hit submit. So you can see that this modifies how it looks. The camera kind of adjusts for the size based on how far away it is. So now we can go over and resize our design. So we're gonna go over here. I'm just kind of placing it within my coaster, trying to make it as even as I can, and then I'm going to enter my settings. So we are going to engrave, and then you can see I already made a custom one. So let's see what I did for coaster. So I have coaster, so I did 1000 for my speed, precision power 85, lines per inch 225. I'm going to just increase it to 275, just, you know, for fun, or 270, just for fun. And then my focus height, basically how tall my object is 1/2 inch. So now we have that all set. We have that all ready to go. I'm going to nudge it just a tiny bit. All right, so we're going to go right here, go to print. And so you'll see this start to process. I'm gonna prepare my print. So it's focusing on my material. Right, so you can see it's magic time. It's time to go. So it'll take me 13 minutes and 27 seconds. It'll give me a warning because it couldn't find proof grade material. And so let me jump over to my Glowforge. My button is lit up. You can't see it, it's just out of the frame, but I'm gonna press the button and go. Okay guys, so the coaster is done. You can see right here, nice etch in there. I think it looks really good. I think at some point I thought I would want it to be a little bit darker, but I thought it looked nice. Now I could have aligned it a little bit better, to be honest. That is one small qualms that I do have with the Glowforge software is I would really love for them to be able to let us designate on the object where the center is so that we could kind of align it or something like that. That's just my personal thought, not a deal breaker. It's really cool that I can visually see it. But this is using a coaster. I got this from At Home. They have similar ones on Amazon. I'll link one below that you can get a set. Probably get a good deal on it. And then this is a design that is from Chameleon Cuttables. I actually was able to get this design through Sparkleberry Ink's monthly subscription box, but Sabine at Chameleon Cuttables has these amazing designs. I thought this was really great. So right now when I'm filming this is the week of Easter. Tonight actually starts Passover, so really excited about this. Hopefully you do too. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm still building my channel, so please make sure you subscribe, help me grow my channel. I'd love nothing more to be able to give you good tutorials and trainings with your silhouette and your Glowforge.